Where's the lady that was wearing this? The lady that was wearing these clothes. I'm talking, you're looking at me. Where's the lady that was wearing these clothes? Hey! Deaf and dumb.
Babe. Where did you go to?
I went down there to get something.
You went out to get something? You didn't even tell me you were stepping out.
I never wanted to bother you.
My military uniform that I left on the bed in my room. I can't find it.
You can't find it? Why?
I left it on the bed. I can't find it. It's not in the room.
Yes, I saw you when you were keeping it on the bed. Inside your bedroom.
Yes.
So, I don't know. Did you search for it?
I've searched all over the house for it. And I searched so much. I'm actually going out to meet my friend. I've been expecting him. I don't know why he's not here yet. I've been calling him.
I'm not sure. Maybe you did not search very well.
I've searched all over. I've searched the whole house. I'm telling you. Evans.
Bassey.
What's up? I've been expecting you now. What happened?
Welcome, sir.
Evans.
I think I remember this face.
You know her?
This one, huh?
What's the problem?
I don't know, my car just stopped me here.
Oh, it seems we're having issues.
I've checked my battery, everything, nothing.
It's okay. I will help you. Yes, I will help you fix this car.
Are you a mechanic?
Of course. I am a mechanic in army.
Oh. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay, please.
No. It's fine. Just step aside.
It's okay, help me, please.
I will.
Okay. Wow. Thank God.
Just don't worry. I will fix it, okay?
It's okay. It's okay.
I hope you're okay.
No problem. So you're a mechanic, right?
Yes, in army.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, you know what? Come, just come. I want to show you something.
What is it?
Bring your hand. Put your hand there.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see that pipe, that thing that looks like a pipe. Hold it.
I should hold it.
Push it up. Okay. Yes, hold it very firm.
Okay.
Very tight.
Okay.
Let me do something inside. Keep holding it, okay?
It's okay.
Remember, hold it very, very well.
It's okay.
Hope you are holding it. Very tight. Hold it. Keep holding it. Do not let your hand off it, okay? Just hold it.
Brother soldier. Start now, start. Start it, I'm holding it too. I'm still holding it too. Soldier. She's not talking. Madam Soldier. I'm not seeing anybody. But I soldier. What happened? My money. My dollars. No, now I kept the money here.
I don't know what you're saying. Maybe someone who looks like me or something like that. We usually have
no,
look
madam,
alike.
No, I remember your face
Do
very
you
well.
remember that guy I brought the picture to you? I told you that he was looking like you, so much like you. So obviously you met someone who looks like me. Please stop that. Ha.
But wait, there's something he's saying about a military clothes. I'm looking for my uniform. I'm looking for my army uniform.
Canvas like that.
What's the color of the canvas?
I think ash color.
Ash color?
Yes.
Wait. Tell me exactly. So what happened? What happened?
The person ran away with my money. My money, my phones, in fact, I am down here. I can't even know what to do. But I'm sure, yes.
Can I see what you are hiding behind you since you got here?
I'm not hiding anything.
Babe, since you got here, your hand has been behind your back. Can I see what you are holding?
I had a sound that looks like that sounds like my...
Can you bring your hand out? Let me see what you are holding.
I'm not holding anything.
I'm going to give you a dirty slap now. Bring your hand out.
That's my phone now. That's my phone. That's it. My money. Bassey, who is she to you?
My girlfriend.
For what? Your girlfriend?
My girlfriend. My girlfriend of 6 months now.
The one you told me about?
Yes. My own uniform.
Your uniform?
My uniform. You took my uniform to go and engage in robbery. Do you know the kind of trouble?
As I was pursuing her, I saw a guy on a wheelchair with that military clothes. I think she dropped it there. She dropped everything there.
You left my military clothes on the road. Oh God. Oh God. Please. I don't want to say anything much. Before I get angry here and you know what I can do, just go inside, take whatever belongs to you and get out of my sight.
Get out.
Baby.
I don't want you to say one word. If you say one word, I will slap your face and they will have to peel it off this wall. Go inside and go and pack your things and leave my house.
Bassey, let's it happen immediately.
Go inside now! Stop being slow about it.
We can.
Come on, get inside and go and pack your things and leave my house. You thief!
I can never be in support of you marrying this person.
Evans, what are you saying?
If you see what happened, yeah.
Please, take me to where you saw the uniform last.
Right.
Please, let's go and get it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.